We all know that in all of
Diesel, petrol are much.
Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I'm also good. Today, firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Nancy. I am the student of this institute. Today, we are going to play the debate game. In this game, topic is that the fuel vehicle and the electric vehicle. My team is supporting the electric vehicle and opponent team is supporting the fuel vehicle. So, let's start with our opponent team.
Okay, so as we all know that why the fuel vehicle is really must for ourselves. We all know that in all over the world still people and the middle class people and usually the normal people prefer to arrange the fuel vehicle. Why? Because we all know that electric vehicle are really not that much available. Yes, they are, but not that much. A single person or every middle class person can't afford it. We all know the prices of it and we all know that how
Do
much
you know the
expensive
prices of those vehicles that you are talking about? No, you don't know about that. First of all, people are not preferring. Second thing is that diesel, petrol are much higher than the cost of that. Apart from other things, the government is also preferring. Government is also telling the peoples to buy and to invest in the more in the EV vehicles.
Okay,
And
wait. If the government are preferring, then what about the middle class families that who are not even able to afford it? Do you know what if the expense rate of it? And for your kind information, we know the rate. Just let update your knowledge with your own information.
Sir, what expense you are talking about? Firstly, the expense of any e-vehicle is very cheap. You can buy at any cost of it, but the fuel vehicle is very expensive and the petrol and the diesel actually very expensive, and it is not the eco-friendly. You are harming the environment, and environment one of the important component in the world. So for protecting our environment, we need an electric vehicle rather than the fuel vehicle, because it's one of the wastiest thing, I can say that.
And how you can say that it is not expensive? It is expensive. You cannot find the each part of the electric vehicle easily, but on the other hand, the fuel vehicle you can find their part very easily, and we have the natural resources. So how you can say that? We have the petroleum, we have the diesel,
so
we
we
can
have
operate it very
natural
easily.
resources, so it is our thing to do destroy the world. Okay, so we have something and we need to destroy that. First of all, get your mind check, yaar. To be in a reality. Okay, if you are living in a world, it is your responsibility to sustain it, to develop it. Okay, in a way that you can
if
also
really you are
develop.
saying that we are harming our nature, then what about you? Listen very carefully. That do you know about the lithium? Lithium is made by the battery, and the electricity battery is there, which is made by the lithium, and you are harming the lithium. What about them? And you are just blaming us. What?
Okay, sir. Yes, I agree with the lithium is a natural resource, but it is available in the huge amount in the world, but not the fuels, not coal. That is not available in the world. So what about that? And you are saying it's actually very expensive. It is one of the easiest, cheap. I can say that electrical very cheap, and government is providing the subsidy that is known as FAME. So grab that knowledge.
Come out from the illusion. Yes, you have the facts, but it is not reality. In the fact, it can work, but not in the reality. In real world, you can find what is really happening in nowadays, that people really prefer to.
Sir,
ride
ma'am, sorry.
fuel
First point is that fact is proven already. It is reality. That's why it's called as a fact, and it is proven fact that government is promoting and advertising the electric vehicle so that they also get the benefit from it. It is not like that you just promoting the fuel vehicle, which is very harmful, just
Okay,
not
listen,
for the
what about
environment,
the
is also
durability?
body.
What about the durability? That if you are going for a long drive, then what about them? And is there any point to charge it? No. And is there any point to fulfill the petrol or fulfill the diesel in your transport? If yes, so why are you blaming this? Try to understand this.
There is any petrol pump in Sangam Vihar? Just tell me if there is, because I am not aware about any of that. First, and the other thing is that first of all, if you are extracting the fuel and diesel, so you have to first process that. The pollution that it creates, it is harmful for the people who are working, for the consumers who are consuming it, and it is also not economically friendly, and it is not also eco-friendly. So first of all, get a knowledge. If you want to live in a world, so at least sustain the world. Okay, apart from it,
And
the
do you know
subsidy that
the
government
time?
provide, it is
Yes.
also a fact.
Wait, I am talking about the things that yes, it take a lot of time to charge that battery, what you are talking about the electric vehicle. But on the other hand, in emergency, it can't help. Ambulance, and there are so many things, it can't help in it, because we know that how many time it takes to charge that battery. But in fuel, it is really.
Ma'am, firstly, yeah, I agree with that. It's time taken process to charge the battery, but if you charge at once, it will sustain at the more hours rather than the petrol and the fuel vehicle. So it is good. good. And you are talking about the ways like battery system in India. So actually you can get the petrol system in jungle. You cannot get it. It's a simple formula. And in you know about
Can you get the battery point in the jungle? If not, why are you blaming this? Yes, you are demanding that about the petrol. Yes, if we cannot find in the Sangam Yard, tell me the battery point you can find. If you are not able to find here, then there are multiple places that you can find.
We can
there,
have
but you can't
separate
find
battery
it.
packs. Okay, we can have another battery packs or 2 or 3 maybe, but we cannot have because it is not illegal. It is not legal to carry your extra petrol. First of all, it can caught fire very easily, and the other thing is that it is first of all not very comfortable as well. It generates a lot of heat in summer, and it
Okay,
is
so what about the batteries in summer? That many e-vehicles get blast only because of the high temperature, because of their electric vehicles and their batteries. And on the other hand, we all know for carrying a high load like the trucks and importing and exporting and also transferring.
Guys, do you know about the tenure of the fuel vehicle? I think so you don't know. The tenure of the fuel vehicle is just in a 10 to 20 years. But our e-vehicle sustain more than 50 years. Do you understand the cost? You can easily cover it in a 50 years. So you are talking about the cost and the battery.
Saying
and
something,
in India,
listen something first. That after saying something, just think in your mind, what are you speaking? 50 years. 50 years. Really? 50 years. I'm just telling 50 years. If yes, now tell me the right. Yes, you were talking. If it is economy friendly, if it is eco friendly, then what about pocket friendly? Is it able? If middle class person is able to purchase, if not,
obviously
then
it
why?
will not be pocket friendly for you, mate. Okay, and the other thing is, yes, it is 50 years. Okay, maybe you are not that old enough to understand those things. You are still studying, so study more, study hard, then maybe you'll understand that thing. Apart from the other thing, the maintenance cost, if you are not aware about that, maybe if you don't have any of it, so just get a fact checked and knowledge to how the maintenance cost in a fuel vehicle and in a electric vehicle. Maintenance cost is too much high. Okay, you need to be maintain a lot of thing in a petrol vehicle, and it is not necessary to do
Okay,
that
so
thing
as I
in a
was talking
e-vehicle.
about that for carrying a high load like the trucks, and there are so many things that we can only carry the loads by one place to another place only by fuel vehicle or diesel vehicle. Okay, you can't carry a high load by the electric vehicle because it doesn't have these features on it. And on the other hand, for importing and exporting, we need the fuel vehicles like the ship and the carriage. Okay, this is the thing. And on the other hand, as you're talking about the maintenance, so we all know that how much we can modify our fuel vehicle, but on the other hand,
no ma'am, we can modify the electric vehicle. It is very easy because you can get the parts of it, and the maintenance cost is actually very high in the fuel vehicle because the one service costs 10 to 12,000, and I'm really sure you cannot get the
Do you
every
really
year
know the fact?
12,000
Do you
every
really
year.
know the fact? Do you know about if sometimes the battery get discharged, then do you know what is the expense of battery? What is the expense of battery? I'm repeating, sir, because it's very expensive. And if you will just go with the fuel vehicle, then it will provide you multiple benefits for import, export, for a heavy weight. You can go with the fuel vehicles. Why are you going with the fuel vehicle?
We want to live in a future. We want to develop. We don't want to go backwards. Okay, you are also, if you are studying, you want to go mature and these kind of thing. Developing is a certain thing which will be happen in the future. Okay, fuel vehicle and do you even know that the Arab countries that generate oil and these kind of thing, they are just they are at the line of that, they are just eradicating those things, and fossil fuel is not going to be there for 50 years, more than 50 years.
First of all, that we are not in Arab, we are in India, and here you can see that in India still people prefer to use their fuel vehicle, and you can see in their surrounding very easily how many people are using electric vehicle. Nobody, even the 5% to 10% people are using, because we all
There are
know
many
that
people using the electric vehicle, because in my street 5 to 10 people easily actually using the electric vehicle. And apart from it, yes, we are not living in an Arab country. Yeah, we are living in India, but we want to develop, so we have to think like the Arabs. We have to think like the future, because future petrol is everything.
No,
And
going-
apart
going
from
with
it,
electric
apart
vehicles-
from it, fuel vehicle is one of the worst thing, because it's just not harming the environment but harming the people. Because of that, you see the asthma patient and many kind of a lung disease you face in
Means
your
anything you are
future.
saying, anything. What
It is not anything. Just go to
Means
check on the
listen,
Google.
So you can also go out the Google, then you can give me the result. You are talking about that 5 to 10% are using electric vehicles. Yes, they are using it. And in your state, if you are talking about, go on. If in your state are using most of the time electric vehicles, and what about other states? Then what about other countries? You are thinking about only your state, only and only your
See,
country.
if you think everything from the point of view of Sangam Vihar, you will not see anything, brother. Okay, there are other things, there are other places you need to go that. Okay.
For everyone.